left the Philippines in 3 batches in November. So, okay. Yes, hello, good afternoon.
At around 6 p.m. Local time in Golan, around 21 Filipino peacekeepers as part of the United Nations Disengagement Observers Forces we were conducting a logistics run when they were stopped by Syrian rebels.
Particular logistics run, they are unarmed, but they are equipped with vests.
According to the negotiators, the 21 Filipino peacekeepers are being treated well. In fact, they were able to communicate directly with the officer in charge of the peacekeepers, who has the rank of a major. And according to him, they are not treated as prisoners, but they are treated as guests. So they are treated well.
I'm sorry. I got it here.
And we are very optimistic that they will be released very soon.
Kung naiwanan,
Ring natin, sir.